you, Charlie.
On seeing and hearing this, Acharya Brihaspati suggested to seek help of Lord Vishnu.
Please, help us to gain our power, as Raja Bali has taken all our power. Otherwise, Raja Bali will destroy your creation.
I will help you, Indra. I will be born as Maharishi Kashyapa at the days that in the near future and show the right path to the Raja Bali. And so it happened that Andi gave birth to a boy. She named him Vaman. One day Vaman posed as a Brahmin and went to the spot where Shukracharya and Daitaraj Bali were performing the yajna. Oh, great King Mahabali! Oh, great King Mahabali! I come before you seeking alms. Welcome, O Brahmin! What is that you desire? I have heard a lot about you, that you give alms to Brahmins. I do not want any wealth or luxuries. I seek a simple boon, Maharaja. Grant me just 3 paces of land, measured by my own feet. Only 3 paces? Of course, you should have it. But you are a demon of a high deep stature. Deserves more. Ask for more, dear Brahmin.
Stop! Do not be fooled! Oh King, this Brahmin is none other than Lord Vishnu himself. In disguise, granting his request may bring calamity upon us.
I am sorry, good king, but my word is my word. I shall fulfill this Brahmin's wish. Your generosity knows no bounds. O great king, let us begin with Vaman's mind. In his first step, he covered all the earth. In his second step, he covered entire heaven. Maharaja, there is no space left for my third step. Where shall I place my third step? The earth and heaven are already mine.
Be careful, Bali! I am sure this Brahmin is not an ordinary boy. He is surely Lord Vishnu himself. Don't let him take third step, or you will have to lose everything you have.
Acharya, I have given you my word. I cannot go back from it. And nothing else is left. You may take your final